If you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably seen a bunch of videos about Zen Browser. So what actually is it, and why is everyone suddenly switching? Let me break it down quickly. Zen Browser is a free open source web browser built on top of Firefox. So under the hood, you're getting all the privacy and security that Firefox is known for, but the experience on top of it is completely different. It has a clean, minimal interface, a sidebar-based tab system, and a design that honestly just feels carefully made compared to most browsers out there. No clutter, no bloat, just you and the web. Honestly, I think people just got fed up. Chrome is a memory hog, Edge keeps pushing stuff you didn't ask for, and most browsers just feel kind of corporate. Zen showed up looking different. It's not trying to sell you anything, it's not backed by a big tech company, it's just a browser that some people built because they wanted something better. And I think that's what resonated. It feels genuine. Add a few YouTube videos to that and it spread pretty naturally. Now, having used it myself, I genuinely like it. The sidebar layout took a day or two to get used to, but once it clicked, going back to a traditional browser felt weird. It's calm to use, which sounds like a small thing, but it actually makes a difference when you're spending hours in a browser every day. If you care about privacy, hate distractions, and want something that feels intentional, I'd say give it a shot. It's not perfect, and it's still early in development, but it's already better than what most people are using.